In this video, I am showing you 5 smoothie recipes that cater to healthy hair and skin. So keep on watching.
You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Eisha Taylore. Yeah.
This is part 2 of my skincare series. If you missed part 1 where I highlighted ingredients in my skincare and clean up my stash, then be sure to watch that one. I will link it in the cards and also in the description bar. This mango banana smoothie is by far my favorite. I actually didn't think I would like coconut water in it, but it's actually very delicious, creamy, nutritious. So this is the one that I make most often and I really enjoy it. Today's smoothie, which had a lot of unnecessary ingredients, beat. Y'all, as y'all saw, my hands got stained. And when I quickly Googled what to do to get rid of the stain on your hands, is half a lemon. Ironically, the recipe only called for half a lemon. So you knew I needed the other half a lemon to get rid of the stains on my hands. Why don't you just write, side note, wear gloves? Like, that was very annoying. Luckily, I got it out of my countertop as soon as possible. Nope, I am not drinking it. No one's gonna make me. It tastes like applesauce. No, they can have this. So despite the fact that I did not like this particular smoothie in this video, I still wanted to include it because Bae did like this recipe. And so I just want to show that although I did not like it because I have texture issues and I'm not the biggest fan of like celery and carrots, and beet is also not that great, I still wanted to include it. It's something that you guys can try. It's still really beneficial for your hair, skin, and nails. So I still wanted to include it in case anyone does like these fruits and vegetables. This is chunky. I let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours. Wow. Celery and banana is very overpowering. That's literally all you taste. What was the apple for, child? And this one made 2, so a full one and then this much right here. Cheers. As y'all saw, this one only made this amount. Like, what is this? It's the orange spinach. As soon as I saw the recipe though, I knew it wasn't gonna make much because it didn't call for any water. I think it was assuming that the orange was gonna pull water, but it clearly didn't. Woo! Nope. It's trying to kill me. All that tastes is the apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna put water in it myself. Yeah. If you do this one, add water. You wanna try this?
Nope.
It's not my favorite at all, but cool. This glow juice is something that you can make in batches. As you can see, I made 3 of them. Going forward, I will do a little bit less ginger since it's not my preferred taste in a drink, but it is something that I have been enjoying and I drink often. I also want to show you guys that I also drink detox teas. It supports your liver and healthy skin, so I also drink that. I am an avid drinker of tea every morning, so it's something that I usually have all the time. Additionally, I also drink chlorophyll water. I will link that down below. I get it from Whole Foods. So time for the benefits. Now, eating an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and that is true, especially if you eat the peel, which has the richest antioxidants. Oranges has vitamin C, which is known to have collagen production. It just keeps your skin firm and reduces the signs of aging. Kale and kiwi also does the same thing. Spinach helps your skin stay hydrated and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Cucumber helps the same thing, reduces the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. And also other fruits and vegetables such as lemon can help reduce signs of aging and hyperpigmentation. Watermelon has vitamin C, which reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and also the uneven skin texture. Mango has anti-inflammatory properties that helps reduce acne. Strawberries are great chemical exfoliators, and bananas are great for not only the digestive system but also helps soothe dry skin. So just keep this in mind when you are eating both fruits and vegetables in your smoothies. I don't think I showed y'all the book that I was getting these recipes from. It's from the 10-Day Green Smoothie Cleanse. I'll link it down below. I got this from Amazon. And I did this 10-day cleanse. I recorded it, but my external hard drive corrupted, so I did lose quite a bit of the footage. That's why I never dropped it. All in all, this 10-day cleanse, I lost 6 pounds, so it wasn't too bad. So I was clearly talking too much about the fact that I lost weight, but the back of this book also has all of the smoothies that I was referencing in this video. So I will link this book down below if you want to pick up a copy and try them out. But sneak peek into the last video of the series is my actual skincare routine, the products I'm using, the benefits of different ingredients, and how everything just comes together. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And if the video is already out, then you know where to find it on my channel. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.